Somewhere there is an increase in the number of exchanges suspending withdrawals, and somewhere football celebrities are celebrating their new ties with the crypto world. So hello everyone and welcome back to Coinmonks. This is Shambhavi back with yet another set of fantastic updates. Starting up straight with the headlines. CoinFLEX suspends withdrawal citing extreme market conditions. Uphold announced exiting Venezuela citing complexity of compiling with US sanctions. Cristiano signs for Binance for exclusive partnership. And China Construction Bank ties up with Singapore's ADDX. Starting up, crypto exchange CoinFLEX is the latest in the list of firms suspending withdrawals recently. CoinFLEX cited extreme market conditions last week and continued uncertainty involving a counterparty as a reason for pausing all the withdrawals. The firm further pointed out that the counterparty involved is not a Third Arrow Capital or any other lending firm. Unconfirmed reports state that 3AC, which had roughly $3 billion in asset under management in April 2022, had failed to meet margin calls on several of its under-collateralized loans and is currently on the brink of insolvency. According to the official announcement, the firm will also be halting all flex coin trading in preps and spots in the short term. CoinFLEX stated that it would provide an update on June 27th. The firm further hopes to resume withdrawals by June 30th. Following the announcement, FlexCoin fell 4.1% to $4.31. The coin has tanked 43% since reaching an all-time high of 7.56 in December. CoinFLEX becomes the latest crypto firm to either halt or limit withdrawals after Cites, Babel Finance, Finblocks, Voyager Digital earlier this month. Celsius said in a blog post it was pausing all withdrawals and transfers between accounts citing extreme market conditions. Bitcoin financial services firm Babel Finance, following footsteps of Celsius, also suspended redemptions and withdrawals citing unusual liquidity pressures. Recently, leading crypto staking platform Finblocks imposed a $1,500 monthly withdrawal limit and paused rewards in the light of uncertainty surrounding 3A's financial stability. To top it all, the New York-based digital asset firm Voyager Digital share dropped by 60% after revealing a $655 million exposure to 3AC. Next up, with Binance considering a re-entry into the Korean market, another cryptocurrency trading platform that also offers digital assets debit card, Uphold has announced its decision to close its operation in Venezuela. The company has cited the increasing complexity of compiling with the US sanctions as the reason. The company has advised its customers in Venezuela to remove their funds from the platform as soon as possible. It has also informed that the trading service will be available in the country until July 31st only. All accounts will be fully restricted as of September 30th. After the last date, withdrawing funds will be slower as customers will have to go through their customer service team. During administration of President Donald Trump, additional sanctions were imposed in Venezuela in 2019, and a ban on transactions with the US citizens and companies was also declared. President Joe Biden began to ease the sanctions. The statement that Venezuela was one of the first countries to embrace the company and that this decision has been taken unwillingly. And now moving on to our next update, the collaboration of the sports community with the crypto world has proven to be beneficial for both spheres. However, one of the biggest collaborations has been announced today. The world's leading blockchain ecosystem and cryptocurrency exchange has announced its exclusive multi-year NFT partnership with the greatest footballer of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo. Binance has plans of launching a global campaign to provide the fans of the player introduced them to Web3 and also to the world of NFTs. According to the agreement, Ronaldo and Binance will together work on a series of collection for sale which will be exclusively available on the Binance NFT platform. Changpeng Zhao, the founder of Binance, said that Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the world's best footballers and has transcended sports to become an icon in multiple industries. He has amassed one of the world's most dedicated fan base through his authenticity, talent, and charity work. The first collection in collaboration with Ronaldo will be released later this year.
He said the partnership is important to him as it would give his fans unprecedented experiences and access through the NFT platform. The Cristiano Ronaldo NFT collection will be exclusively available on Binance NFT at their official website.
So with this, we'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meantime, if you have any recommendations or opinions, do let us know in the comment sections below. For instructions, reviews and tutorial, you may visit our blog which is linked right below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.